This is Justin Case of American Newscape. Please join Sarah Wisdom and myself with Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. What do you have for us today?
Hello. As always, we have lots of terrific things happening at Yuma County Libraries, and I only have time to tell you about three, but they're all good ones. First of all, I want to tell you about an art program that's happening at our Wellton Library. It kicks off Tuesday. It's open during library hours through Saturday, and it's called Wellton 2020. Now, all last month, they invited patrons to come in and paint pictures of their favorite spots in Wellton. They had programs for youth, programs for adults, and so this month is the showcase, and they're really hoping to bring all of the community in to appreciate the artists in their area and admire the beautiful parts of Wellton that they've painted. So again, that's taking place at the Wellton Library during open library hours from Tuesday all the way to Saturday this week. Oh, and I also would like to mention that the entire program was made possible by a grant from the Jack Keats Foundation. So we really want to thank them a lot for providing all the art supplies so people could come in and create their masterpieces for us to come and admire. The second program I'd like to tell you about is a food dehydration program, and this is a series that the University of Arizona Cooperative Extension is hosting for us. They'll have several programs throughout March to talk about different kinds of foods, but they're kicking off with one that's near and dear to our hearts here in the Yuma community, vegetables. They'll be talking about how to dry or dehydrate your produce to keep them around longer and kind of make for some tasty snacks too. That'll be taking place on Tuesday, and then following that will be programs on fruit and jerky, making fruit leather. So they'll have all kinds of great information to share with you. The last topic I have for you today is a solar cooking demonstration that's coming up at our Foothills Library. It's happening this Saturday, and I think it's so appropriate that it's taking place at Foothills because they have such an active astronomy club, so solar cooking just seems to fit in with that. And so they will have a demonstration of a solar oven. They'll be talking about different kinds of foods that can be prepared, and participants can even sample some potatoes that have been cooked by solar power. So you get a chance to eat and learn about solar cooking. So again, those are just a couple of the things happening at Yuma County Libraries. There's so much more. As always, visit our website, yumalibrary.org, or check us out on Facebook or Twitter for more information.
This has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom with Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Please remember to support your local library, librarians, and consider subscribing to this channel.